cracked, stress cracked, stress cracked, broke. All of this is stress cracked.
Way worse. Oh.